taking it. Oh, you want? Oh my God, y'all are so funny. What do y'all want? Oh, no. Now we're quiet and well behaved. Like, look how cute we are. Can you go ahead and give us a milk bone? Okay. All right. Whatever. You were demanding. You were being demanding. Yes, you were. I know. And now what are we demanding? Oh, you ready to have the ball thrown? Remember, we can't throw too far, buddy. Gotta take care of that little leg. What are you talking about? What are you wanting? You are too funny. You are too funny. Just demanding. What do you think, Jess? Get it. That's what I say. That's what I say. Don't take any of that. Look at Jesse. Don't do that kind of crazy stuff. There you go. Get the ball. There you go. Keeping it simple. Oh, now you're not gonna run by Jesse because she'll get you. Chicken. Chicken. Hey, chicken. I'll show you. All right, Jess. What do you think? Skipper's done. You done too, Jess? All right. Y'all are both done. Thanks for watching. Skip says bye.